Welcome to Trouble with Tish. I am Tish, and I be Trouble. If you're a returner, welcome back. Today we have Beauty Ninja Secret Santa. And I have my Secret Santa box right here. So if you want to see what I got, stick around.
Troubles on the mind, hands around your throat, out in open waters trying to stay afloat. Remember to forget.
Alright, like I said, Secret Santa. So Beauty Ninja Secret Santa is, it was run by Alice Lynn. I don't know if she always does it. This is my first year with the Beauty Ninjas, but she did run it this year. She organized everything, so we do thank her. I did receive my box. Renee brought it over, so I don't know who my Secret Santa is because the address is blocked out and everything. So this is the box. I opened the top to make it easier, and this is how it's packed. So we're going to go through and see what we got. So the first thing we have is a card. It says Merry Christmas. Oh, it's one of the Nomad cards. It's beautiful. And then on the back it says Nomad Season's Greetings. And then the front says Christkindle Market, which is in, there you can see it right there. Surprise! Merry Christmas. Ah, it's Renee! Renee! Surprise! Merry Christmas, bestie. I was so excited to get your name for Secret Santa. It makes it easier to buy and saves on shipping. Lol. Love you to the moon and back. And I am also so very grateful for you. XO Renee. Oh. No wonder she dropped it off. I thought she dropped it off for somebody else. Because her Secret Santa sent their box to me, and I crossed out their name, so she wouldn't know who gave her the Secret Santa until she opened it. So I thought somebody did the same for me. Okay, and then we got some packing. Oh wow. She has wrapped everything in wrapping paper. Alright. So it's not numbered or anything, so we're just gonna go through. We have this, and it's got snowmen on it. Aw. Snowmen remind me of my aunt who passed quite a while back. She loved snowmen. I'm gonna cut out all the paper wrapping, so I'm gonna quit talking until I'm done unwrapping this. Oh, it's reversible wrapping paper too. This is Merry Christmas on the inside. Alright, so we have this Touch of Gold body wash. Ooh, with Pro Vitamin B and aloe, which will be good for me because I get hives, so aloe will help to soothe the skin. Blackberries, Golden Orange Blossom, and Decadent Tonka. Those are the fragrance notes. Oh, I bet I'm going to really like the smell of this. I'm going to open it. Oh, that smells so good. I'm excited about that. Alright, next up we're going to go for this one. And we have 3 on-the-go cleansing facial wipes, which is great for me because I definitely needed some wipes. So that makes me very happy. Doing this, you can always use makeup wipes because we go through them like nothing else. Alright, next we have this. Oh, I already know what this is. I can feel it. Oh. That's pretty. She takes pictures. This is Mount Rainier. I love these. I love her photographs, but I love the ones of Mount Rainier even more because we spend a lot of time either on Mount Rainier or near Mount Rainier, especially during hiking season. And it's a very good area to climb around on. But yeah. Let's see. I can't tell which trip that's from. Seems like I should be able to tell, but we spent so much time around there that I kind of... Oh! I think that's on the way back. I think that's a picture from on the way to or on the way back from one of our hikes. Alright, next up we have this. It's a lot of stuff. It's a protector for one of the face shavers. Alright, we have a box. Pull out my donut knife. I love this thing. It looks so sweet and innocent. I feel like it would be really insulting to be stabbed by something like this. Oh, actually, I don't think I need to cut it open. It is open. I saw tape and was like, oh. There's stuff that's wrapped up in here. Very, very good Days of Strawberries. I love this soap. I have some in my bathroom already. This smells so good, and it smells exactly like strawberry soda. And then got this. Alright, we have another body wash. I can't see what the scent is on this one, but we can give it the sniff test. Ooh. That's pretty. So we have another smelly good body wash. Those smell good. We have another package. There's actually a whole nother package in here too. So we have 2 more packages. And put that one off to the side. Alright, first package. I got an ice cream box. My alone time is for everyone's safety. And that is a fact. Definitely. Oh, I love that. Alright, last package. Oh, my frog. Kind of feel bad. I didn't wrap any of the ones that I sent. Of course, I don't really have the energy for that right now. Got another ice cream box. Ooh. We got a soothing, relieving steam eye mask, self-warming. That is going to be amazing for migraines. And then we got another one. And then a kiwi face mask. Nice. These eye warming masks are amazing. Especially for if you get migraines. And then I got a spa headband and cuff set. They're blue. She gave me one a while back. I don't remember when, but I know she gave me a black set. It was a headband with the cuffs. I use that every time I do, I wash my face. It's amazing. And these, I'm going to use as well. That's perfect. So I don't have to worry about like what I'm going to use if the other set is in the wash. Perfect. I love this stuff. Thank you so much, Renee. I'm so happy that you are my Secret Santa. And this, I swear, I'm going to wear the hell out of this. even really, do you ever change? I'm so excited. And pretty sure I know exactly where this picture was taken. I'll have to ask her though. All right, this is a collab with Beauty Ninjas. We are all doing a video because we all sent each other gifts. So go find out who I sent a gift to, and then find out who they sent the gift to, and who they sent the gift to, who they sent the gift to. Yeah. All right. So tomorrow is Christmas Day, so I hope you have a very, very Merry Christmas. I hope every single one of you has an absolutely amazing day. And I will see you all next time. Bye.
Troubles on the mind, hands around your throat, out in open waters trying to stay afloat. Remember to forget.